This story is so much bigger than Dave Dravecky being able to move forward and have freedom and be able to live life normal now. No way. This is about the impact that Arthrex is making to millions of patients around the world. You know, I grew up with this incredible dream to be a Major League Baseball player, and I saw that dream become a reality. I was in Montreal pitching against the Expos. I was in the 6th inning. I reared back and threw a fastball, and my left arm snapped in half. Oh, I remember that like it were yesterday. Cancer had kept coming back to the point where they removed my left arm and shoulder. Now I was left with moving forward and living as an amputee, and that's when the pain in my right arm actually began to occur. When we went in to do the surgery, we determined that the best possible device for me to use would be the Arthrex Eclipse. One of the things that I've learned, which has been the coolest part of having the Arthrex experience, is actually going in and seeing the device and how it works in my shoulder. The bone will actually grow around this device and make it really secure. So there's a lot of confidence in knowing that aspect of this surgery that was done on me. And I think that's huge. Patient education is just as important as the medical world's education on how to use the tools that are necessary to create the freedom that you've given me. The value of this Eclipse that's in my shoulder and the significance of it in relationship to someone like me who now has great freedom, that's the real heartbeat of Arthrex. That's what I've discovered is the real heartbeat of life. I've had the freedom to play golf. I've had the freedom to lift weights. I've had the freedom to do the things that my wife and I love to do. Post-op until present day, I have had absolutely no pain. This is the best my arm has felt since pre-cancer. I don't have any hesitation whatsoever of being able to reach back behind my back and to actually grab my belt on the left side of my body, which is so bizarre. I'm set up for success. That's the bottom line. And it's because of the Eclipse that I'm set up for success. This is the most incredible gift that one could be given, to be able to live free from pain and to enjoy life to the full.